Say it out loud. Say what you're saying out loud. Not so adults can hear it. Yeah, yeah, just catch the chair on fire. Make sure you don't catch anything on fire. It's my house.
Okay, I got it.
Try to actually get the candle to burn. Ow! Don't be scared. Your head's in the way. Good job. Wait, put this one in. Put that one in now.
Okay.
Don't catch anything on fire.
Okay,
Oh,
this is good.
wait, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna pause. I can't reach. Hey, there's a bird's nest. There's Reese.
Okay,
Say hi, Reese. Why are you smelling
Are
it?
you cooking?
No.
Ben, are you doing cookies for me?
Yeah. Reese the retard freaking cookies.
Alright. Bye, guys.
What the heck?
Your shirt's got the time?
It doesn't close. There you go. Good job. Wow. That's our dinner. That's flank steak.
I know Tennessee Titans lost their first game today.
What do you have right now?
Toothpick.
Okay.
Oh,
here.
chopstick. No,
Here.
chopstick. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Where is it? Oh, I found it.
Okay. Hold on. Take it easy.
That is a toothpick.
Wait, did it light it?
No,
Did I light it?
you're not even by it. Actually, touch it.
I am.
You're not. Like
I'm
that. You're too short.
I'm too short.
Ooh, look at how pretty it is. Oh yeah, just catch the plants on fire, Reese. Way to go. Hey, look over here. It's like a tunnel. Pretty awesome, huh? Isn't that cool? It's like a tunnel.
Let's go take a
A
map.
tunnel.
Tunnel.
And on fire. Then our house is gonna burn down. Oh crap! What are you doing now? See, he actually caught it on fire. Okay, let's go. Oh, now you're lighting all of the candles, huh?
Not all of them, just a few.
Just a few.
There could be all of them. Ow! Stop it! Don't let me on fire.
Did you put them in there?
Yeah.
Reese is way too short, so he has to stand on a chair. So wait,
Oh no! Okay, I got it. Oh no, my finger's gonna burn.
Wait, I'm